Still got some wiring to sort out. As you can see, I fitted the SSD drive. That's made a huge difference. I need to get a couple more braided cables like these for this card here, because it is using crappy ones. I don't know if you can see them there. And also this card has to go. That's going to my son. And I'm going to buy another one of these sapphire ones, and I'm going to replace both the coolers with E.C.O twin black and white fans, but I'm going to paint the white blades red, obviously, to match the... And the memory, as you see, we don't have a water cooler or a air cooler on it at the moment, because I'm looking for 60mm red fans, LED fans, which are almost impossible to find in the UK. I can get them from America, but ridiculously they are unavailable in the UK, unless anybody knows where to find them. I've added this fan here, which is the Enermax Vegas. No, it's not the Vegas, it's just the plain one. It doesn't change colour, it's just the red one. This one on this side can change colour. If we just push this button, we can have it multicoloured, blue and red, or we can have it doing propeller of blue, red, blue and red, flashing blue, flashing both, blue and red, and this takes you into the Vegas, which goes through all the colours and all the propellers and all the different settings you can have. But for this build we only want red. And it's the same up here. Up there we have a, again it's the same as the other one I just showed you. The red one is now red, but it can be any colour. Blue and red, rotating, whatever. So as you can see, I have carbon fibered the outside of the inside of the case. The motherboard tray is also carbon fibre. The back of the other side is red, as you can see. It's not been painted, it actually is red. It's been swapped with one of the red Lian-Li PC-P80s. Same with the top. Again, it's not painted, it's anodized like that. And as you can see, I have a bit more carbon fibre, and if we lift that up, can't reach it, there we go, and we've got more carbon fibre in there. Very difficult to do that was. The front, as you can see, is red fans, and every slat has been very carefully carbon fibered, but not the whole door. As you see, the edge of the door, both sides, is not carboned. There is a few cables left, like that horrible thing there, which needs to be braided. I'm waiting for some nice new braiding material to turn up. Those cables down there for the lights need to be extended so that they can be hidden. And as you see, there's a blue braided cable there, which obviously is not matching, so that will be taken out. And that poor example of braiding you see there is just temporary. That will be done properly. So that is my Lian-Li custom job. Inside you've got a Asus Sabertooth 990FX motherboard with an AMD FX Bulldozer 8120 running at 4.6 8-core, 2 times 4 gigs of Vengeance 1600 DDR3. I did have 16 gig in there, but I found it just pointless, so I sold 2 of them. I'm probably going to fill that gap with 2 times 2s and just stick with 12 gig, which is plenty, more than enough, to be honest. What else have we got in there? They are 2 times 6870s AMDs, but one's, as I said, is a power color, the bottom one here, and this one here is a nice sapphire one. Now that runs really cool and overclocks really well, whereas the power color one doesn't. I would highly go against buying one of the power color 6870s anyway. I've always found power color to be below par, shall we say. But they work well together at the moment. It just means I can't overclock the power color one. I have managed to overclock this to 1 GHz. The Windows score that I get for this PC is 7.8 all the way down. CPU, memory, the 3D and the desktop is 7.8. Funnily enough, since I put the SSD drive in, I've got 7.9 on the hard drive, which is the first time I've ever seen that. So I'm pretty impressed with that. And that's about it. We'll just put the side back on so you can see what she looks like with the side on. Just bear with me. Normally quite easy to put on, but with one hand. And there we have, excuse my cup, we have the finished case. It does look nice. I like the dark power specs. It does make it look really nice, especially with the red. You probably can't see it like I can. In fact, I know you can't see it like I can, but the reds look much deeper than that. They don't look as pink as they look on the video. So there you go. I hope you like it, and I will upload some more video as I change it. Okay, thanks for watching. Yeah. Bye bye.